Good morning. Welcome to Pemberley Farm. What are we looking at this morning? Well, we're looking at strawberry bed that's been covered over pretty good most of the winter. You know, 17 degrees is quite unusual for here. But we've got to get it uncovered, get it weeded, get it fertilized pretty quick. I forgot to fertilize it at the end of the fall, so that's my bad. But these strawberries did very well last year, even though it was just their first year. And you know, on strawberries, the first year you're supposed to pick all of the blooms off. And that way the plants get stronger for the years coming. Well, I did that for a while, but I just could not handle doing that the whole season. So I eventually started letting them make strawberries, and they are delicious and so sweet, and they did really well. So anyway, this is February 2nd, 2023, and we're fixing to get this bed whipped into shape and get ready for strawberry season, which is not that far away. Okay, now we're in another strawberry bed by the pond. And what we're doing here, these were just planted last year. The ones that you saw first were planted, November was a year ago. These were just planted this past November. And so these are already blooming, which, like I said, it's gonna hurt, but I will pinch those blooms off. So these are just young babies. They were just plugs. I just bought plugs. And if you want to know where I got them from Ison's, I-S-O-N''S, Ison's Nursery. I don't know how well this is showing up. It doesn't seem like it's showing up that well on video. But anyway, so it's past time, really, to have been doing what we're doing. Should have already got this done. But I just didn't know we had a couple more freezes even after the polar vortex business. And so we just kept them covered. Here's what they were covered with. All this pine straw completely covered up so you couldn't see. So anyway, I don't know, it looks like we may have lost a couple, but I have extras that didn't fit in here, so we've got more plants we can put in. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. And if you have never raised your own strawberries, I highly suggest you do it. They are so amazing to just come out in the morning and eat fresh. It's just amazing. So, also these are a different kind. I can't remember the name of these. The ones across the street in the other bed are Chandler. I will have Ashley put up here the name of these. I can't remember. It's something red, I think. Maybe ruby red or something like that. Anyway, we'll put it on the screen for you. We'll write it on the screen. So, if you don't already do strawberries, I suggest that you do it. It is amazing. Just a little peek here at the orchard. When it gets in full bloom and starts to leaf, I'll do some more on the orchard. But this, like I say, it is February 2nd, and one of the apple trees, well, a couple of the apple trees are blooming. So hope and pray that there's not, another bad freeze. I don't think there will be, but you never know. Down here by the water, these are elderberry. There's 3 of them. And these 3 elderberry bushes, I mean, they went nuts last year. And so I have still some of the berries in the freezer. We have elderberry syrup that we made. I think we've got elderberry tincture. I don't remember. Anyway, we did a lot with elderberry, plus we still have some in the freezer. So thank you for coming along today and watching. Please like our videos, share our videos, and subscribe if you have not already. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We are Pemberley Farm Homestead. Again, thank you so much for dropping by, and God bless you from Pemberley Farm.